Hello, I'm Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. It started really raining, so I decided to give up trying to walk around the grounds. And my door is leaking. Some vegan goodies to try. Apparently this sushi is made of, like, I'm not sure. I tried to translate it and it said it's made of like tapioca starch, like these fake fish things. How good is that? I saw it, I was like, vegan? What is that? How is that vegan? And some vegan cheese, some sausages to try. I don't know. Some lovely, like, And I also got this. Just because I'm lazy and can't be bothered to cook lately. And some ginger shot. I also got this vegan tuna fish like stuff. I used to love tuna sandwiches as a kid, but I actually hate fish, but I don't know. I'll try it. in Germany, like the town is called Brunsdorf or something like that. Tiny town, but it's like spaces by the church, and it's so cute around here. And there's sheep in this field, but they're not close enough. And the church is really cute, and they even offer a toilet, which is really nice. And you can put donations in their box, but I don't have any euros, I just realised. So I feel a bit bad. Just queued to go around Hamburg for like fucking ages. There were like loads of roadworks and like tunnels and shit. Oh my god. Finally got out and going, and I didn't go as far as I was planning because I can't be bothered now. Just going to a random place. And I saw a sign that looked like a cat museum. I'll have to see if it's on Google and have a look what it is. Yeah, there's a sign, Freilich Museum, and there was like a picture of a cat. Hello. So, what have we done today? We got stuck in traffic for ages. Hey, Sniff. Sniff's down here. You do? Hey. Yeah, today we didn't go as far. I can't even tell you where we are. I just quickly looked for somewhere closer because of that traffic. It took so long and I was bored. But it's really nice, like tiny little village. And we're in the cemetery, like car park kind of. But there's a horse pasture behind. I hope they get let in and come closer. Tomorrow is laundry day because I need to wash some stuff already. And we're going into Bremen to go into this tiny bit of Bremen, which is called Schnorr with 2 O's, because it's super like picturesque and I want to go in there. It looks cute. There's parking there and a short walk to like that old bit of the town, so I think it'll be alright. It's only an hour from here. I'm gonna take it easy and then go into that town. All I've done is like drive and just sit in bed. I'm aching. I need to go and explore and do some walking. Yeah. Snoopy. Be sorry. Yesterday I bought a big 6-pack of water because I couldn't really find any taps. Whatever. I just thought I'd buy some, and it turns out it's fizzy water. Fucking typical. So annoying. So I got the kettle on with a huge bottle in there because if you boil it, like the carbonation goes away. And I want to give some to Snuffy and the piggies, and they need normal water. They can't drink fizzy water. Put some in my plant. I hope it won't kill it.